Good morning, dear children. Hope you all are well. Today we are starting lesson 10, S block elements. Beta, S block elements, do you remember in classification of elements we have read? S block में कौन से elements आएंगे? Group 1 and Group 2 के. Group 1 and Group 2 elements are known as S block elements. Okay. When the last electron enters the outermost s orbital, then they are known as last electron enters the outermost s orbital. Outermost s orbital, then they are known as S block elements. Correct? Group 1 is also known as alkali metals. This we have read in third lesson. Do you remember, children? This group 1 is known as alkali metals. Group 2 is known as alkaline earth metals. Okay? So alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. Last or electron enters in the s orbital, so they are known as s block elements. They are alkali metal. क्यों कहते हैं, जरा दिमाग लगाओ. So they are collectively known as alkali metals because they form hydroxide on reaction with water. Or hydroxide is highly alkaline in nature, या strongly alkaline in nature. Similarly, elements of group 1 are, अगर ध्यान रखो, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Similarly, group 2 में this is one लिख दो, group 1, this is group 2, this is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. ठीक है? And this is alkali metal, this is alkaline earth metals. Why alkaline? Because their oxides and hydroxides are alkaline in nature and they are also found, their oxides are found in earth's crust. So alkaline earth metal बोलते हैं. Earth crust में मिलता है, therefore it is known as alkaline earth metals. Sodium and potassium are abundant, though in the new course most of the portion is cut. Then also अभी हम लोग सारा पढ़ेंगे to make the understanding. In exam it will not be asked. So francium is the highly radioactive element. Francium क्या बेटा? Francium अपनी जनरल नॉलेज के लिए भी याद रखो, highly radioactive element. Radioactive. Correct? Then comes बेरिलियम इज रेयर. जो टिपिकल चीजें हैं बता रही हूँ. बेरिलियम इज रेयर यानी बहुत कम मिलता है, रेयर है ना. एंड रेडियम इज रेयरेस्ट. रेडियम इज रेयरेस्ट. कितने परसेंट में मिलता है वो हमें याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट दिस इज रेयरेस्ट. ठीक है, दिस इज रेयर एंड दिस इज हाईली रेडियो एक्टिव. देन कम्स जनरल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन. सो जनरल electronic configuration of S block elements. S block elements is noble gas. तुमको पता ही है बीच में क्या लिखते हैं, noble gas कॉन्फ़िगरेशन NS1. ये किसके लिए हो गया बेटा? एल्कली के लिए. or noble gas, NH2 for alkaline earth metal, One interesting thing that we will read in this chapter, that is lithium and beryllium. The first elements of group 1 and group 2, group 1 and group 2 have their properties different from other elements of the same group. Their properties different from elements of their own group. Elements. This is very interesting. This is known as anomalous properties, different properties, है ना? Group 1 element का जो first element है lithium, its properties are different from all the elements of the group 1. Similarly, beryllium also shows different properties. So what they do actually, this is anomalous. Different properties को क्या बोलेंगे बेटा? Anomalous properties. Anomalous properties means different properties. Different properties. Correct? So they show the diagonal similarity. मैं यहाँ लिखूँ, they show the diagonal similarity. Like lithium will show similarity to magnesium. तुमको ध्यान में आएगा, क्रॉस में है lithium and magnesium. Lithium will show similarity to magnesium. Correct? And दूसरा क्या पढ़ा हमने? Beryllium. Beryllium will show similarity to aluminium. क्रॉस में जा रहा है. This is known as diagonal similarity. This is referred to diagonal relationship also. This is due to the similarity in ionic size or charge or radius ratio. Because of, यहाँ समझने के लिए लिख लो, because of small ionic size. So ionic sizes and charge or radius ratio बेटा, and or charge or radius ratio. Let us just revise the electronic configuration. Okay. So though we know all these things, then also we will go for the revision of electronic configuration. First is lithium. Z is 3. So how we will write? 1s2, 2s1. Second is sodium. 11. We will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Third one is potassium. 19. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. Then fourth one is rubidium. 37. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then 4s2. Then याद आया 3d10. Do you remember children? 3d10 after 4s2 4p6 and 5s1. So सब में s1 जा रहा है, then 37 over, then cesium is 55. So 55 you will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6. 4p6 के बाद 4d के लिए जगह छोड़ना है ना बेटा, और उसके पहले 4s2, 4p6, देन कम्स 4p के बाद क्या आता है, 4d10 करोगे, फिर 5s2, 4d10, मतलब 5s2 के बाद 4d10, 5s2 पर यहाँ तो पता ही है नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मोर है, 5s2, 5p6, okay, and 6s1. Can you see, children? Is it clear? So if you will add ठीक है 6s1 और लास्ट वाला, और इसको अगर शॉर्ट में लिखना चाहें, हर बार इतना लंबा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो वी विल राइट xenon 6s1. यहाँ तक xenon हो गया 54 तक, xenon 6s1. Similarly, if you want to write francium, so francium 87. So right now I will write here renon 7s1, nearest noble gas configuration. In this way, I have just given you the division of electronic configuration of group 1 elements. Tomorrow we will go for another properties of the group 1 elements. If you have any confusion regarding the course changed, okay, or anything, please children ask me, send me message on my personal number. Okay, thank you.